Boom, check it out. As I get older, I've been enjoying more and more produce in our lives. Not so much when I was a kid, but love it now. And as an adult, I'm realizing how difficult it is sometimes to keep produce. Sometimes you throw it in a crisper drawer, you throw it in the fridge. If it's next to the wrong thing, or the moisture control isn't set right, or whatever, I mean, it can go bad quick. But that's where these little bags come in. This is obviously a green lettuce produce bag that is foil lined to help control moisture, to keep your lettuces or any produce that you want really separated out from everything else in your fridge. And so really the goal is just simple. Once you go shopping, you can take these with you shopping, or once you get home with your produce, you can throw it in this foil lined bag. You can tighten it up and it is a self-contained environment in there with its own moisture, and obviously it's not airtight, but it's limiting the air circulating in and out of it, keeping your produce fresher longer. These are super easy to clean as well. You can rinse them out, you can wipe them off, you can use just a little bit of cleaner with them if you need to do that. But these work great in the fridge, freezer, whatever the case might be. And honestly, just work as a nice little travel bag. If you need to throw some ice or something in here, or some drinks or something, it makes just a nice little cooler bag. Overall, if you're looking for a way to maybe get a little bit more life out of your produce, check this out. I think you're gonna love it.